Hear this sound? Yeah, that's what it sounded like when Dalton Harris won the X Factor. The 24-year-old The Power of Love singer who won the competition on Sunday may just be staying in the UK a little bit longer. Show bosses are now said to be asking him to negotiate staying in the country, with the latest news putting single promotion and his place on the X Factor live tour in jeopardy. Ha ha ha! Is that so? His debut single featuring performer X Factor champion James Arthur is currently at number 1 on the UK iTunes chart. Yes! So, guess what? What? Why are you shaking your head?
I said couldn't lose.
He could have.
No, man.
Look here,
lose.
anything in life is possible.
Yeah, but not that. The only thing that's possible is death, taxes,
And bun?
and bun. Inevitable.
Well, he won, and I'm so excited for him. I mean, I listened to him talk about the things that happened in his past. I listened to him talk about how he blew Rising Stars money in 2 days. I listened to him sounding like he has grown. Well, I didn't know, so I don't know why. He's amazing. And I mean, that just simple melody is just a little tip of the iceberg of his voice.
Yeah, and
he
I
has
think
the widest range ever.
I think what went into it was his story and how he came to who he is now.
And now he has had this, like, what, decade? Almost a decade, 8 years of growth since Rising Stars. And he's coming to himself. And that's what I think is very important in a situation like this. When you know who you are, you are much better able to navigate the world, you know?
And that's what I want people to understand, that 8 years from now, you'll be completely different.
Yeah.
Just keep working on yourself.
Yep.
Well, 8 years ago, almost, Buju Banton went to prison, but it's official now. Buju Banton has been released. Mark Myrie, the global dancehall and reggae superstar known as Buju Banton, was set to be released from prison today, December 8th, but he actually landed in Kingston yesterday. Banton was sentenced to 10 years in prison in June 2011 after he was convicted of conspiracy to possess cocaine with intent to distribute. He only spent 7 years in prison and came back home to a hearty welcome.
Of doing at the airport.
And a whole heap of other people, like, I wanted my picture, you know.
You wanted a picture with him? Can you imagine how he feels right now? He's probably like, oh my gosh. Okay, we'll have a little video. Hey.
Santa Claus.
He's
Rasta
supposed
Santa.
to just be like, oh my gosh. People are going to mob him. Like, there it is. I saw that video. I hope there's no audio on this video, though.
A man said, Buju look fat.
Fat?
Yeah, man, look.
I trim have on all of them winter clothes, them, man.
Man said, Buju look big
Watch
like
him,
him.
the man in them teams. Hello, I can't ask a question.
Teams, you know?
I can't ask a question. Like, when get them something there for put on for come out? Like, somebody send him them something. Them send it to him. Like, so in people them can send him something. So no, so him did that look at when he come out, right? If that out the clothes, because never that come out, look pop down.
I probably Marvin sent it to him, you know.
Marvin with the team.
I probably Marvin sent it to him.
No, right now, Mark need to send Marvin a new pair of teams, because Marvin don't know them teams.
Marvin love him teams, dog.
I know. All right, well, big up and a hearty welcome home to you, Mark Myrie. We missed you, and I can't wait to hear what's next on the music agenda. Like,
anyway, the concert there.
Sitting at the edge of my seat waiting for that. Don't it? It's like show everywhere in the world. I got pause for that.
Anyway.
All right, this one. Now, you know I'm not really a big fan of this international Ray drama with everybody, but for some strange reason, this woman, I like her. So, I'll read it. Cardi B's Mistress tearfully apologizes. All right. Now, if you know a whole heap about Cardi B and Offset, this one is for you. The woman with whom Offset allegedly cheated not long before Cardi B gave birth says she's remorseful. And she told TMZ that she never wanted to be a home wrecker. Them call the girl Summer Bunny. Hey, that's her name. Yeah, that's her Instagram name, you know. Summer Bunny. She cried openly while telling TMZ how guilty she felt after word got out about her hooking up with Cardi B's husband and how she might have been a catalyst in the couple's split. She insisted that she didn't know how serious Offset and Cardi B were, which seemed absurd because they were married. But nobody never knows that them they married, right? Remember them they just... No, I know you look like you're jumping asleep right now, but you don't understand. Like, I was in class on Thursday, and the set of people beside me, this was like a big thing. They're really into this stuff, you know. Wake up. They're really into it. They're like, you know, it's a big deal. So, Summer Bunny, for those of y'all who need to know.
I don't understand
I
it.
know. People business seem to be very important to enough people. So it's a hot topic, so we have to tell them. So Summer Bunny says she's sorry.
It's like, I saw it on Daydream. I see some people are getting them feelings about it.
About people's business.
Yeah, man.
Like, how can you be getting into your feelings about other people's business?
You know what it is? I think a lot of people live vicariously through other people. Because people see me up on the road and say, yo, feel away when you stuck in and never did last week, you know. So, Regine, you feel away for me? So, yeah, man.
Yeah, them hurt.
I said, all right. Shall I come out
Guys,
next week?
it don't affect you. If Cardi B and her husband mash up, if Summer Bunny vex or something, it don't affect you. Live your life. Come on, live your life. That's what I'm saying.
When I get money
That's
after
the end
marriage.
of the trending topics. But if you're really into it and you really are in your feelings on Cardi B and Buju and
Dalton.
X Factor Dalton Harris winner, just let us know how you feel about it.
You know, I was wishing you were here last week.
Can them talk about things almost happen?
And I wanted to congratulate you.
On?
You know, Kingston College, man.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, man.
Ha ha!
So,
Ha ha!
them win Manning Cup,
And then them come back and All right, we're gonna go for a break on that note.